Here's a brief summary. Sandalwood oil benefits for beards. 1. Moisturization. Sandalwood oil is known for its excellent moisturizing properties. It helps hydrate the beard hair and skin underneath, reducing dryness and flakiness, which can prevent dandruff and beard itch. 2. Softens beard hair. Regular use of sandalwood oil can make beard hair softer and more manageable. This is particularly beneficial for those with coarse or unruly beards. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Sandalwood oil has anti-inflammatory effects, which can help reduce redness, irritation, and inflammation of the skin beneath the beard. This is especially useful for those with sensitive skin or who suffer from conditions like razor burn. 4. Antimicrobial effects. The oil has natural antimicrobial properties, which can help prevent bacterial and fungal infections that might otherwise occur due to trapped moisture and debris in the beard. 5. Promotes beard growth. While there's limited scientific evidence, anecdotal reports suggest that sandalwood oil may help stimulate hair follicles, potentially promoting thicker and faster beard growth. 6. Soothing aroma. Sandalwood oil has a distinctive, soothing scent that can serve as a natural fragrance for your beard, providing a calming effect and enhancing your overall grooming routine. 7. Prevents acne and pimples. By keeping the skin beneath the beard clean and free from bacteria, sandalwood oil can help prevent acne and pimples, leading to healthier skin and beard. 8. Reduces beard rough. Sandalwood oil's moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties help in reducing beard rough, the beard equivalent of dandruff, keeping your beard and skin flake-free. How to use sandalwood oil for beard care. Beard oil. Mix a few drops of sandalwood oil with a carrier oil, like jojoba or argan oil, and apply it to your beard daily to keep it moisturized and healthy. Beard balm. Sandalwood oil can be added to homemade beard balm recipes, providing both the benefits of the oil and the hold of a balm. Beard shampoo. You can add sandalwood oil to a beard shampoo to enhance its moisturizing and antimicrobial effects. Considerations. Skin sensitivity. Before using sandalwood oil, it's advisable to do a patch test to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction. Quality of oil. Ensure that you are using pure, high-quality sandalwood oil for the best results, as adulterated oils may not provide the same benefits.